How to check your laptop screen size. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you a quick and easy way to check your laptop screen size. So the first thing you can try to do is open up your settings. So let me just quickly head over to my settings and go to display settings. So I can just go ahead and search for display settings here and open it up. Once you go to display settings, you can find your display resolution, display scale, but there is no information about how big is your screen. Even if I go to advanced display, I'm not able to see the entire screen size. So what you're going to do instead is close all of this out, go to your search bar and simply search for system information. Now it's going to show you your PC name, your manufacturer, and your system model. So let's just remember this model. It's Aspire A31556. So we're going to go to Google and then simply search for Acer Aspire A315-56 specs, or you could just directly type in display size and it's going to show you the exact display size. So it's 15.6 inches. That's basically how you check your display size. And you guys need to know that this display size actually means the diagonal of your display. So if you measure from this top end to the bottom right end like this, if you put your scale here, it's going to be 15.6 inches. So that's how you check your display on your laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.